It's 2024.
Tell me the make, model, and the year of the bike.
So it's a Kawasaki Ninja 500 2024.
Okay. Is this your first bike?
Yeah, it's my first bike.
Okay. Why did you choose the Kawasaki over a different brand?
Ever since I was a kid, the Ninjas were always my favorite.
Okay.
Kind of the only bikes that I knew, actually.
Okay. So, tell me, how does it fit you? Did you test the bike before you bought it?
I did not test it, no.
No? Did you at least sit on it?
Yeah.
And did you sit on a 600 also? And you chose a 500?
I didn't sit on any other bikes. The bike that I did ride like 2 times is hers.
Okay.
The R3.
Yeah.
And when I went to go get this, I didn't even sit on it. I didn't sit on any other bike. I just got it, took it home, rode it.
Oh, you just like, so had you done any research about it? Or
yeah, I've done.
Okay.
Like
so you knew that 500 was the one that, with that styling, with the handlebar,
yep.
It's easier to maneuver and everything else, right?
I got it. I got this one is the SE, SE trim, the top trim.
Okay.
So it comes with the sliders. It has a full digital dash.
Okay.
This paint job is like only for the SE.
Yeah.
So comes with that, the taller windscreen, the no passenger seat.
Yeah.
So it comes with like their own cover.
Yeah.
And I don't know about.
I see you got ABS also.
Yeah, ABS. This is standard on the SE.
On the SE, because you got that higher end trim,
yeah.
right? That's why you got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So what's your plan with the bike? You gonna keep it for a long time?
Oh yeah.
You are? Okay.
I plan to keep it a long time. It's the same engine as a 400, but it's bored out, so it's like 451 cc's.
Okay.
It has enough power for me to speed up and get past the car. It has enough power for me to have fun in.
Okay.
So I feel like for me as a beginner, it's more than enough.
More than enough. I agree with you. Yeah. And it looks like you are like that type of person who want to take it easy, enjoy. You're not trying to chase the next best thing, right?
No.
Good for you. I admire that about you, because a lot of people are like going for like 1,000 right away, a high speed or 1,000 and all that.
Yeah, no.
Cool. You got it. Did you buy this bike local?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I bought it like locally at a dealership near me.
And you were happy with the price and the service?
Yeah, I was happy. Yeah. Cool.
Did you buy any extended warranty?
No.
No. Okay. Are you gonna do the work yourself, like oil changes, oil filter?
Yeah. Where I work at, my shop foreman owns a couple motorcycles, so he knows how to do stuff. So he said if I need help with oil change, I could go to him.
Oh, you can. Okay. So you have some friends who can help you with that.
Yeah.
Cool. And what is your riding style? Weekend, weekdays, or do you commute on the bike?
Yeah, I plan whenever it's nice outside, like today.
Yeah.
Or it's a little bit colder. It doesn't matter as long as it's not raining, not snowing, or none of that. I go on my bike. Other than that, if it's raining or snowing, I go in my car.
How long is your commute?
5 minutes to work.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And like 30 minutes to go to school.
30 minutes to go to school. So you're gonna go to school one day too?
Yeah, I go to college. I go to the Nova.
Nova, okay. So you'll go on the bike also whenever it's nice
like
days.
This, yeah.
Of course, because the season is changing. If it's springtime, you'll be going everywhere, right? All the time with that. Cool. Congratulations, your bike looks really nice.
Thank you.
And I see you have some safety things here also.
Yeah.
Since you're a new rider, I wish you all the success and with your bike and your biking journey. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool.